Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. So we wrapped up all of our cleaning, detailing, and any fine tuning we had to do on the 2004 Chevy Trailblazer. It was kind of a fun little endeavor. Let's take a look. So this is how it turned out, guys. So this was a garage kept little truck. So no paint fade. Every one of the decals is still on here. No fading or scratching on these. These sometimes look kind of crappy. Original rims. Looking good. We did get a new windshield in it. Now there are going to be, of course, videos out there on how to replace the rear sway bar links, shocks, everything like that. As you can see right here, the truck turned out pretty dang good. Let's take a look at this old school interior. So everything turned out really well in here. Let me take these keys out. And I mean, the seats don't have any stretch marks or anything like that on their console and everything. As we come in here, the only thing that bothers me is the last owners had their son install a Bluetooth stereo. I don't like it. It sounds worse than the OEM one, and I just like that nostalgic look. But the simplicity of this little car is pretty cool. This would have had a CD tape deck in it, because down below here we have CD and tape holder. Very good how it turned out. Handful of stains in the headliner we got out. Turned out really well. So we come back here, we go in here. Everything got cleaned up down below. These seats pull up and lay down. We have some auxiliary power vents. Come over here to the back end. Yeah, that liner, I was going to get a new one, but that's a Husky one with edges, so even though it's a little warped, I just decided to keep it. I gotta admit, it runs really good. Not that efficient on fuel for sure. It's just not. But it's been fun to drive. We've taken it to the mountains and carved up the canyons. Plenty of power. Drives down the road like a typical older school Chevy. Just that nice floating type feel. It's a blast. I'm not going to keep it just because, well, I have my Ram. But I love just getting these old school Chevys, playing with them, drive them around, have some fun. It's a cool little truck, a little frame, body on frame SUV. So it rides really good. Pans are in the snow, just a blast. Turned out really well. So if you guys are looking for one of these, keep in mind with proper maintenance, these have been known to run for a very long time, like 200,000 miles plus. I already had one couple reach out, wanted to buy it. They actually have a Bravada, 2 Envoys, 2 Trailblazers. They have 12 kids, so they were telling me all these, and they were actually reaching out to this one, but they're going to go look at a Isuzu Ascender. That was another sister truck to this, joint venture between Isuzu and Chevy or GM. And they have hundreds and hundreds of thousand miles on these little 4.2 inline 6. And of course, if you got a bigger one, you could potentially, depending on the year, get a V8 in that, the 5.3. So really fun thing to do, guys. So hopefully you check out all those videos of the process, because it was pretty gross. We'll catch you on the next one.